Hi everyone, I'm Richard uh, from the group Undergraduate 20. Uh, I'm going to present the review of our of our configuration management plan about the course SEP. My presentation will cover three topics uh, regarding to the checklist, which are organization and completeness, configuration management, and change management. In these three topics, I will discuss things we have done, and then I will talk about things we have not decided yet. First, let's talk about the organization and the completeness. We have defined the purpose and the scope of our project. Our team has been employed to develop robots. The robot needs to detect, record, and navigate with onboard sensor. We define several intended wordings. For example, the University Nature Disaster Search and Rescue Service. We know they may be non-technical team, so we make sure we provide explanation of terms, acronyms, and abbreviation in plan. Let's move on to the second part, which is configuration management. Uh, we have defined several configuration management roles and their function, the relationship. We also assign the function to relevant people. I have a table to show that, and here is the table. Oops. You can say on the left is the uh, name of the configuration management roles, and on the right is the functions of the roles. And our group also defined several configuration items, for example, the requirements document, software, and the plans. We place this document in Google Doc, and the related configuration items are placed together. We used GitHub, Google Doc, and Overleaf as the configuration management tools to record all version updates. Let's move on the last part, change management. We have defined the change classification from three aspects: the users, developers, and the market force. Our group thinks the level severity of them should be user, market force, and the developers. Which user is the most urgent one? For controlled process, we plan to use the change requester for form to ask for permission to change. The change requester will take responsible for that and define whether the change is end. And these are what we have done, and based on the current stage of our project, we still have something we have not decided yet. And here is the list of our of the things we have not decided. And I think we will decide these things as soon as possible with the processing of the project. And this is the end of my presentation. Thanks for your listening.